Welcome to my wild and I don't know what world. This morning I had a mission to go and replace my driver's license. I had some business this past week that needed me to pull my driver's license out and hand it to someone. I gave it to my husband. And then he said he handed it back to me. Well, it's out there in some other universe. I don't know. I've looked everywhere. Can't find it. Can't find it. So I get up. I get my biscuit, my tea, and my coffee. And I'm thinking, I don't think I'll do anything to my hair. I didn't put on any makeup. I put just old clothes on. And I'm going to run over there to Helena and to the revenue office and get it made this morning and get it over with so I can get back home. So I get my breakfast and I'm heading out and I'm drinking and I'm spilling coffee all over me because of the bumpy roads we have around our area. I get about 10 minutes out of town and I'm thinking, oh no, they're going to have to take a photograph of me. Oh my gosh, my goodness. I thought, I got to go home and do something to this hair. So I turn around and I'm going back. Just about 2 or 3 minutes, I called my husband. I said, I look like a bum. Look worse. And I got to have my picture taken. He said, get on over there and get that picture taken. Don't worry about that. So here I am in Helena getting my license. I just went in. And when you go into the revenue office, they always want you to pull a number. The number, yes. Well, there's hardly anybody in there. This girl kept saying, come on down, you don't need the number, you don't need the number. Okay. So another guy comes in, and he does what they want him to do, pull a number. This other girl said, you don't have to pull a number? I don't know why y'all have to pull a number. I thought that was a rule, pull a number. Well, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. But that's what I thought. Well, I did kind of say it under my breath. She said, I can't understand why y'all do that when there's nobody in here. I'm going, because you don't want us doing it other times. Why? Yeah. I guess I'm in a kind of a fragile mood this morning. A fragile mood. Anyway, I said, I need to replace my license. She said, well, you will need a birth certificate and another form of ID. What? I don't have those things. She said, or any of the items that are taped to this desk in front of me. So I'm looking at that, going down. I had one, and it was my insurance. I said, what about this? No, it's not on the list. I looked at it, I said, one of the things that would count would be a release from prison. If I had a paper that says I'm a convicted criminal and I have my insurance card, I can get a license. That just struck me as funny. I'm sorry. Anyway, she said, well, do you have your automobile registration? Well, so we went and got that. And, yeah, I got that. And we took care of all that. And she had to make a copy of both items before I could get my license. So I got my license and I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to take a picture with this hair, no makeup, and coffee stained shirt. And it's going to last me for years when I hand my license to anyone. So I'm smiling. I think, well, maybe that'll help some. So she took a picture and then handed it to me. I looked at it and I said, okay, I think it'll do. It'll do. It looks about like me anyway. uh, you know, sometimes we're around people that work out in the public and they don't even know how to smile. I mean, we need to lighten up. You know what I mean? Lighten up, people. It ain't all of that. Sometimes I find myself getting very serious. And then I need to say, Cheryl, do what you preach. Lighten up, lighten up. Like I was in Walmart the other day and I was paying for what I was about to buy, and I was going to pay for it with my credit card. And I went like this down the credit card machine, and the woman behind him, she goes, it's a chip. Oh, I said, oh, okay. That kind of flustered me a little bit when she said, it's a chip. You know, with no smile whatsoever. It's a chip. I said, okay. So I stuck it up there in the chip part, and I pulled that out a little too fast. You pulled it out too fast. Okay. So I stuck it up there. This even flustered me more. You know, so I'm sticking it back up in there, and I guess I'm just so flustered by that not going well, and people are standing behind me, waiting on me, and I got in a hurry and pulled it out again. You pulled it out too soon. I mean, like a robot or something. I said, okay. And she turns the thing around and said, here, let me have it. And she does it. And I looked to the ladies behind me. I said, I guess she's tired of me trying to do it. I mean, really. That just kind of went all over me in a way. It kind of irritated me. And, you know, nothing to be irritated about, Cheryl. I mean, it would have been nice to have had a smile from that woman and a little compassion for my inability to stick a credit card in the machine right. But I looked at the people behind me. One was grinning. I think she's grinning kind of like, what is that stupid woman doing? And the other one didn't crack one smile. I mean, me included, we need to lighten up. We only got a short while on this earth. Lighten up, people. Lighten up. It ain't all that serious. We're gonna die one of these days. Lighten up. And that includes me. I shouldn't get upset about things happening in a revenue office or things happening in Walmart. I should lighten up, smile, and keep on moving. But you know, our insecurities, and it might be those people too, I have to be compassionate. Our insecurities sometimes cause us to act a certain way. And I guess my insecurity of me being 66 and people thinking, oh, she's losing her mind. No, I mean, I might be, but I've acted like this all my life. I mean, you can ask most of my friends. Most of my friends, I've acted like this for years. I guess it's just getting more pronounced. I don't know. I don't really know. I don't think so. Anyway, smile, have a good day, and I'm talking to myself as well. Bye, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the like button. Oh, yeah, and the notification little bell. You might have to press that a couple of times for it to pop up, and press the little gray one at the very top. I think there'll be about 3 buttons. You guys, I'm new at YouTube, and I'm using my cell phone to do this. And I need a better camera, but hey, right now it's this camera that I'm using, my little cell phone. When I'm doing this, guys, I'm looking over at the button to press for record, and it causes me to look over to the side. So I'm trying to look straight. To the inexperienced YouTuber. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all later. Love you. Bye.